Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin with prerequisites, but act now. Install Android Studio and JDK, create an empty activity Java project, and add internet permission. Once done, open Firebase console and create a new Firebase project. Make sure the package name matches your app ID. Next, register your Android app in Firebase, then download Google services. JSON and drag it into app/folder. You're past setup and ready to integrate Gradle plugins, so the IDE can sync Firebase components into your build. You now add SDKs and explain why. Open top-level build. Gradle and add Google Services class path so Gradle can apply Firebase tooling. Then in app-level build, Gradle apply plugin com. Google, GMS, Google Services at bottom and add dependency lines for Firebase Analytics and whichever modules you need, for example Auth or Firestore. Once added, sync Gradle. This lets Android Studio fetch libraries. After sync, initialize Firebase in your application or main activity, so services are ready. Finish by initializing and testing in your application subclass or main activity on Create Call Firebase app. Initialize app this or rely on auto init, then implement a simple sign-in or Firestore read to verify. Run on an emulator or device and watch Logcat for initialization messages. If something fails, check common causes, package name mismatch, missing SHA1 for auth methods, or Google services. JSON not an app/folder. One key troubleshooting tip, re-download Google services. JSON after changing package name and resync Gradle before rerunning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.